In the early 1990s, the internet was a wild frontier, and search engines were just beginning to emerge. Back then, SEO was all about keyword stuffing. Websites would cram as many keywords as possible into their content, hoping to trick search engines into ranking them higher. It was a chaotic time, where quality took a back seat to quantity. If you wanted to be found, you had to play the game, and that often meant sacrificing the user experience for the sake of visibility. Then came 1998, a pivotal year in the world of search. Google launched, and with it, the revolutionary PageRank algorithm. This was a game changer. Instead of just counting keywords, Google started evaluating the quality and relevance of content based on links from other sites. Suddenly, the focus shifted from merely stuffing keywords to creating valuable content that people actually wanted to read. It was a breath of fresh air for users and a wake-up call for webmasters. As Google grew, so did its commitment to improving search results. The Florida update in 2003 was one of the first major algorithm changes that sent shockwaves through the SEO community. Many sites that had relied heavily on black hat tactics found themselves plummeting in the rankings. This was a clear message. Quality content was now king. Websites had to adapt or risk disappearing from search results altogether. Fast forward to 2010, and we saw the Vince update, which further emphasized brand authority. Google began to favor established brands in search results, recognizing that users often trust well-known names over lesser-known entities. This shift meant that businesses had to invest in building their brand reputation online, not just optimizing for keywords. Then came the Panda update in 2011, which took things a step further. Google began penalizing sites with thin or duplicate content, pushing webmasters to focus on creating unique, high-quality articles that genuinely serve their audience. It was a turning point that forced many to rethink their content strategies entirely. No longer could you get away with low-quality pages. The emphasis was now firmly on delivering real value. These updates have shaped the SEO landscape into what it is today. The evolution from keyword stuffing to a focus on quality content has transformed how we think about search. It's no longer just about getting clicks. It's about providing answers, solving problems, and engaging users in meaningful ways. As we look back at this journey, it's clear that SEO is not just a technical discipline, it's an ever-evolving art form. The algorithms will continue to change, but one thing remains constant: the need for quality content that resonates with users. Understanding this history helps us appreciate the importance of adapting our strategies to meet the demands of both search engines and the people using them.